Ukutwasa is a traditional Southern African spiritual initiation, a sacred process through which a person is called by the ancestors to become a healer. Known as a Sangoma, it is both a spiritual awakening and a demanding rite of passage. It is seen as ancestral alignment, a way for the spirits of the ancestors to continue guiding and healing through a living person. The word Ukutwasa comes from the Nguni languages and can loosely be translated as to emerge or to be reborn. It signifies a transformation, both spiritual and social, in which the initiate answers a spiritual calling, usually from the ancestors. It is a sacred calling, not a career choice, with the Sangoma becoming a bridge between the spiritual and physical realms. It begins with a calling from the ancestors, through dreams, visions, or mysterious illness, a sign that someone has been chosen to heal and guide others. These experiences signal that the person, known as the Itwaza, has been chosen to serve as a bridge between the physical and ancestral worlds. Under the guidance of a mentor, a Gobela, the Itwasa learns sacred rituals, herbal medicine, songs, and how to communicate with the spirit world. The process is not easy. It demands discipline, cleansing, and transformation of body and soul. When the ancestors and teachers are satisfied, a final ceremony, Ukupotula, is held, marking the rebirth of the healer. The essence of Ukutwasa is therefore more than initiation. It is a profound transformation, a journey of surrender, learning, and becoming one with ancestral purpose.